Today we're gonna do mango passion fruit ice cream. All you need is 500 milliliters of heavy cream, 400 milliliters of sweetened condensed milk, the juice of half a lemon, as well as the juice of half an orange, 1 passion fruit and 1 mango. At first you're gonna squeeze the lemon and the orange and fill the juice into a glass. Then you're gonna cut the passion fruit and take out the kind of jelly with seeds by a spoon. Put it into a blender and start to cut the mango. Then add the mango pieces as well as the lemon juice and the orange juice into the blender. Mix it well until it's smooth. Put it aside and start to do the basic ice cream. For that, you need a big bowl where you will first put the 500 milliliters of heavy cream and mix it until stiff. Then you're going to add the 400 milliliters of sweetened condensed milk, and add the mango passion fruit paste. Mix it one more time and your ice cream will be ready to be put in a box to freeze it. The next day the ice cream will be ready to be served. Of course you can serve it with other flavors of ice creams. If you want to know how to do a strawberry ice cream or a vanilla cinnamon ice cream, click here.